5 Best User Reviews of the BLACK+DECKER CHV1410L 16V Lithium-Ion Dustbuster with VF110 Dustbuster Replacement Filter. Real users share their experience. Number 5. Good for cat litter. Earth Mama. 5 star. Don't be fooled by his debonair looks. This cat is a litter flinger. It's like his personal feline mission to send litter particles into outer space. Because the ultralight cat litter really flies, I buy the old school heavy kind. Earth Mama. Number 1. One more short-lived piece of junk, Tinker. 1 star. I have no idea how many B&D dustbusters we've thrown away in 30 years. My family never learns. Our latest, purchased November 2016, has a failing battery after less than a year and a half of light use. The charger is putting out the prescribed charge. The battery shows 15.3V. Turn it on and the whine gets rapidly lower pitched as it drops to 9 volts in 40 seconds and stops. Tinker. Number 4. Great power, love the charger. Busy Bones. 4 star. I'm really liking this unit so far. I've had it for about 3 weeks and it charges wonderfully, and I've only managed to run the battery dead once, and that was a big fall cleaning day, so lots of use on one charge. Busy Bones. Number 3. Very long charge time and very short usage time. Parvisky Porad. 3 star. Originally I said takes 24 hours to recharge, because the BLACK+DECKER tech support told me that is how long it takes for full charge. But, actually takes about 4 to 6 hours to fully recharged. The negatives about this vacuum: 1. Only about 10 minutes running time even fully charged and new. 2. Suction is very good during first 5 minutes, then starting going low as all the charge depleted in about 10 minutes, that probably is the case for most rechargeable handheld vacuums. Parvisky Porad. Number 5. Lots of suction and easy to clean. Jennifer. 5 star. Works amazingly. I gave this to my brother as a gift. The attachment tool is great for cleaning behind appliances or under places where you can't get with abnormal vacuum. Great for vehicles as well. Worth the money. Jennifer. To read all the reviews, click the link in the description below.